137 headline formulas for you to grab your readers by the balls, or your prospects by the balls. Hey guys, Toby here, coming to you with my little angel Amy running around in the background. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So I put together this document of 137 headline formulas that you can use in email and Facebook Lives, on your blog posts, anywhere, to grab your prospect by the balls and make them read your stuff. If you don't know, copywriting is, in my opinion, one of the most lucrative skills anyone can have online or inside of their business, because once you learn how to write words that stop people in their scroll, demand attention, create emotion, and get them to take an action, you can promote whatever you want out there. I'm just gonna sit on that picture of the giant bull with the balls for a second. I thought that'd be a hilarious image. I know, I am so juvenile. So let's get into a couple here. This will be located in the files section of the group here inside of My Digital Empire. If you're watching this on the interwebs and you're not a part of Layla and I's Facebook community, it's a free community. We share tons of value just like this all the time in there. Make sure to click the link around the description or comment on the post, and you can come inside our My Digital Empire community here on Facebook. Okay, so I wanted to run through a few for you in person on this video so you can see how I would use them. Yes, that is Aladdin blaring in the background. Emmy and I have been cuddling watching Aladdin while I worked on this. So the first headline, how to blank in X steps. So we could say how to make $100 a day in affiliate marketing in 3 simple steps. How to lose 10 pounds in 3 days with 2 simple steps. How to generate 100 leads a day in 6 daily steps. You get my point, right? Next formula, how I made blank in X steps or days. How I made $33,000 in 28 days. How I sponsored, Layla has a little mini course called 34 reps in 14 days. So it could be how I sponsored 34 reps in just 14 days. Pretty straightforward, right? Number 3, how to rock your blank while looking like a blank. So this could be how to rock your workout while looking like a complete pro. Or it could be how to rock your social media Facebook Lives while looking like a rock star. Number 4, how to completely change your blank in X steps. How to completely change your business, your social media ads, your Facebook ads, your YouTube marketing, your image, your body image, your self-confidence, your behavior. You can put anything in there, and as long as you put in steps and days, it makes it more believable for your audience to click on. Number 5, how to use blank to stand out from the crowd. So you could say email, Facebook marketing, your stories, your own personality, something weird. You could go obscure. How to use garbage to stand out from the crowd. How to use inappropriate language to stand out from the crowd. How to use a vulgar joke to stand out from the crowd. Many, many different ways to use these headlines. Use them all over your Facebook Lives, your Facebook posts, your emails, your sales copy, everywhere. 137, have at it. It'll be located in the files section inside of our group here on Facebook.